This apartment is located in Las Lomas in El Poblado. Las Lomas means the hills. So this is very much in the hills of El Poblado, which is kind of an exclusive area. Most properties in this area are very expensive and very nice. This one's a unique one because it's a duplex. And this is the kitchen area, open concept on this first floor. You've got that balcony there. And a lot of natural light comes in here. The kitchen was redone and done really beautiful here. You could see that very modern, a lot of counter space. I love that. Here's that balcony there. This is the dining area / living room as well, overlooking the east side of Medellin, or at least the east side of El Poblado. What I like about it is that there's no big buildings right next to it. So you do have somewhat of a view over the whole mountainside. It must look beautiful like early morning with the low-hanging clouds. So this is the duplex right here, which is pretty awesome. I love it. So this first floor has the living area. It has the kitchen with that island countertop and stovetop. And it has this little wet bar area as well, which I thought was pretty cool. It's kind of nestled in there, kind of hidden, which is cool. Okay, so this is the stairway there. But before we head over there, let's head to the right over here to the first bedroom on this first floor, which is pretty spacious, meaning that you can fit a big bed in here. That's pretty much all you could fit in this area, but it gets better. This is the bed with the TV. The total square footage on this one is, in square meters, it's 125 square meters. Look at this. This is the bathroom downstairs, which is awesome. It's got a jacuzzi. It's got a TV. Pretty cool. So 125 square meters, which comes out to just over 1,300 square feet. And the walk-in closet. A lot of space there. Definitely a very livable. You could call this a home, really. It's got like a very modern feel to it. A lot of modern touches, but it also has, I don't know, this sense of coziness. The square footage is 1,300 square feet. The asking price on this, as you saw in the title, is about 1 billion Colombian pesos, which comes out to be in dollars, $245,000 roughly. This is going upstairs into the second floor here. Let's see the other rooms. This is the room right here, the first room that you see coming up the stairs on the right, which is pretty cool. Again, I love the open concept, the loft style architecture and design. This is the little desk up here, work area. The desk is pretty long. I mean, I'm 6'3", and I sat there and I was like, I could definitely get a lot of work done here. It's got enough space for 2 monitors at least. I usually use 2. Okay, so this is the bedroom here with a TV there. As far as the association, or what we call the administration in Colombia, that is 520,000 pesos per month, which comes out to be about $128 per month, which is basically the HOA. Here, all right, so we're going to go into the next area here. That's a closet area and the bedroom, the master bedroom, closet, and bathroom, which is nice. This is a 2-bedroom, 3-bath apartment. So we've seen the downstairs bath, this upstairs bath as well. And a lot of space in that shower. That shower is big enough I'm a pretty tall guy and I could definitely fit in there pretty easily. But this room here up here definitely can fit a king size bed there if you wanted to. I think that one was a queen size bed. If you want to make an offer on this, or you want us to find you something similar, make sure to click the link in the description, fill out the form, and we'll get in touch with you.